Welcome back to Primetime News. When classes resume on Monday, hundreds of students will be back in uniform. For decades, Sherries School Uniforms in Portland has been at the helm of that preparation. Here's Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
For generations of students in Portland, the start of a new school year has been synonymous with one name, Sherries School Uniforms. From its home on Blake Street in Port Antonio, the company has been the thread that binds together most schools in the parish and neighboring communities.
Right now, we are actually expanding. So we are looking at schools to say, help us. We free of cost. We help you to design. We help you to redesign. And it's free. We also give help to the parents even to do the ironing and all of that.
But Sherries is tailored for more than just uniforms. The business is owned by Vivienne Sherrington, a former training and community development officer who patched together a solution for women left jobless after the collapse of the banana industry.
So when they were trained, then they would go out to do their business. All right, so what I did was say, no man, at this time, I was not looking at not even profit. I was looking at having these ladies get something to do so that they could stay home, look after the children, and be gainfully employed. So I started this cottage industry.
Decades later, what began with less than 50,000 Jamaican dollars has been cut, sewn, and shaped into a thriving enterprise serving hundreds of students across Portland and beyond.
I started the business with just 30,000 that I borrowed from the Portland Cooperative Credit Union. And I go on to be borrowing more and more until I went to COK and then JBDC, because they are some of my main trainers, and JBDC is one of my main trainers. They would come to my house and give me guidance, or if they have seminars, they would invite me, something like that. And my key partner right now as a provider for loans is JN, a small business.
Yet, like any fabric, the business has faced its snags.
2 years we had a location problem. This is practically a new location at 14 Blake Street, but it's going well as it relates to where I started with the 30,000.
From stitching seams to weaving dreams, the long-term goal for the company is to thread opportunities into the very fabric of the future.
We're trying to set up locations now again in Hector's River, trying to set up locations in Buff Bay, basically that. We're also looking at, I actually applied for, we have a roaming store. So apply for, they call it now, through the police, where we can get a license to drive around with the vehicle, where we can go into the communities so that people can be comfortable. You don't have to come out every time during the season. You know which day uniforms coming around and see if we can, provide certain things to everybody.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.